Hey guys, it's Mama Kangaskhan here, and I know it's a little dark, so I will be putting the code card for this New Year's pack in the description below. And we will be doing a Roaring Skies pack. I know you can't really see it very well, but it is a Roaring Skies pack, so we're hoping we can get a Shaman EX. If I can. There he goes. Okay. So here is the code. It's backwards. Oh no! Alright, well I'll fix it whenever I put it in the description. So let's do the card trick. If I can remember right. I think I did it wrong, but we'll see. Alright, we have a Voltorb, an Inkay, a Cascoon, a Meowth, a Binacle, a Pidove, a Silcoon, a Healing Scarf, a Dragonite Hollow, so I did do it wrong, and a Steven. But this one looks freaking awesome. I wish you guys could actually see this. Amazing card. It is a holographic, which is awesome. I am not going to lie. This is beyond amazing. So cool. Alright, so that's all for this video. Next month, hopefully, I will be able to get a brand new computer from Walmart because of my warranty. So, yeah, so here's a hoping. So, I'll see you all next time. I will be doing videos from November all the way up to the time I get my new computer. So, yeah, that'll be a fun thing to be watching for. So, I'll see you all next time. Bye!